Hello friends, today we will see the practical number 3 from the digital electronics, that is design of adder. Okay. Now in this practical we will see how we can design a full adder by using the two half adders. That's why the aim of the practical is to design and construct full adder and full subtractor circuit and verify the truth table using the logic gates. For this apparatus required, we require AND gate IC 7408, XOR gate IC 7486, NOT gate IC 7404, OR gate IC 7432, IC trainer kit and the patch cords. Okay. Now today we will see the basic block diagram for or logic diagram for the full adder. This is the logic diagram for the full adder. This adder, it is nothing but a full adder using the two half adder. Now in this diagram here we can see we are having the two XOR gates. These two XOR gate ICs, IC 7486. IC 7486, it is the IC number for the XOR gate. These logic gates, XOR gate, we require in two quantities. In one IC we can implement 4 IC. That's why one IC is sufficient for the this full adder. That's why this one XOR gate number 1 and XOR gate number 2. Next we require AND gate IC 7408. This is also another gate IC 7408 of the AND gate, and also we require OR gate IC 7432. That's why we require here gate XOR gate in two quantities, AND gate in two quantities and one OR gate. Okay, this is the logic diagram for the full adder. Now after that we are having the two outputs. One output it is for the sum, which indicates the sum, and another output it is for the carry. For this we require 3 inputs as input A, B and C. Now today we will see the connection on the logic circuit board. See, this is the digital IC trainer. This digital IC trainer, we are having the 3 types of the logic gates. That means here this IC 7486. This is the IC 7486. It is the XOR gate. Next, this is the IC 7408. This is the IC 7408 for the AND gate, and for the OR gate we are having the IC. It is a IC 7432. 7432. It is the OR gate IC. Now see the connections in the logic circuit diagram. That is XOR gate. Inputs of the XOR gate 1 and 2 are nothing but input A and B. See, the XOR gate IC inputs, pin number 1. Pin number 1, here it is a pin number 1. It is given to the connection of this input 1. This input 1, it is these are the connections from the input side. These are the connections from the input side, and these two connections indicators for the output, and pin number 1 and 2 are giving as a input A and input B. Next, pin number 3, it is the it is the output of XOR gate and given as one of the input of another XOR gate. That is nothing but there is a short connection in between pin number 3 and 4. Now the pin number 3, that is the input C, which is directly given to the OR gate pin number 2. Then pin number 5 and pin number 5 of AND gate and XOR gate are short connected, and output of XOR gate, it is nothing but at the pin number 6 and given as a sum output. Now the connection for the AND gate are from the input A, that is nothing but input A, which is also given to the AND gate, input B also given to the AND gate, and output of the AND gate pin number 3, which is given to the another input of the OR gate, and the output of the OR gate at pin number 3, it is nothing but a carry output. And the equation for the carry, it is AB plus BC plus AC, and the sum equation for the full adder, it is A XOR B XOR C. Okay, now see, these are the connections of full adder using two half adders. We are having the connections like this as a XOR IC and IC, and by using the OR IC. Now all the connections, all the plus 5 volt supply of each IC, that is nothing from the pin number 14. From the pin number 14 we are having the plus VCC supply, and that is given from this, that is a plus 5 volt supply, and ground connection which is given to the pin number 7 to the each IC. Now we can switch on the main switch of the board. Now switch on the supply of the board. Indication is like this. Now all the inputs now are a 0. The position of the inputs are a 0. Now see the truth table for this. When A, B, C are 0, output, carry and sum also 0, 0. Here all the inputs are 0, 0, 0, and the outputs also are 0, 0. This is the sum, this is the carry. Blue one is sum, red one is carry. That's why when all the inputs are 0, both the outputs are also 0. Now when 0, 0, 1 is there, 0, 0, 1 is there, see, only C output is high. 0, 0, 1, 1 is a high. High indicates the light on. At that time output sum only the on. Now next when 0, 1, 0 is there, when input are 0, 1, 0 is there, 0, 1, 0 is there, at that time only sum is 1, sum is high and carry is 1. Sum is high and carry is 0. When 0, 1, 1 is there, when 0, 1, 1 is there, 0, 1, 1 is there, at that time carry is 1, sum is 0. At that time carry is 1 and sum is 0. Next it is of 1, 0, 0. When 1, 0, 0 is there, at that time only sum is 1, carry is 0. In this way we can verify the truth table. It is a 4. Then next it is a 5. When 1, 0, 1 is there, at that time output it is only carry is 1 and sum is 0. When all the inputs are high, 1, 1, 1 is there, at that time sum and carry also 1, 1. Here also when all the inputs are 1, 1, both the outputs are high, 1, 1. That's why in this way we have verified the truth table for the full adder using two half adder circuit. Okay, this is the today's experiment, that is a full adder using the two half adder. For this we have taken IC 7486 as a XOR gate, AND gate IC 7408 and OR gate IC 7432. In this way we have complete our experiment number 3 from the digital electronics, that is a full adder, by using this digital IC trainer. Okay, thank you.